welcome back to another video. Today is Tuesday, April 29th. I'm actually running out to Starbucks real quick. It's like just after 8 o'clock in the morning. Today's gonna be an interesting day. I got some errands I need to run, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me and see if we get some vlog style footage. See how you guys like those kind of videos. Again, we are back inside. I got my iced green tea. I actually have a meeting at 9 o'clock this morning. I'm working from home, but I have a meeting at 9 o'clock, so I'm going to be joining the VIP a little bit late today, but I'm definitely going to record a trading session so that you guys can see what happens. Nonetheless, hopefully my meeting ends early so that I can actually be more interactive in the video rather than just you guys watching me trade, but we'll see what happens, so I'll get back to you guys once we get on the charts. US30 has been mad choppy lately. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not feeling this price action at all. I'm still kind of bullish on it. I'm down on my funded account right now. I took 2 L's already. I hate when this happens to me. Every time I get funded, like the first couple trades, I don't know why. Every time I just start losing. So I'm in the hole, but I'm only down like 1,200. I could really make like 1,000 of that back today. So we're gonna see what the market is giving today. I might mute my mic just because they're doing some construction outside of my house. So I don't know if you guys can hear that. It's super loud. So I'm going to just keep the mic muted just so y'all can just see the charts and stuff. Lower time frame still kind of giving me that bullish confirmation. I think I'm actually going to watch for buys. I think we can still get buys today. Longs. But we'll see what happens. It's about to be 9:30. We got like just about a minute and a half left before the open. So I'm gonna watch these longs right here. I do like the way the lower time frames is looking. Like the 5-minute time frame is definitely looking like we could push. So I'm kind of liking longs from about this area. Alright, I just took longs. It's like 1 second, 9:30 right now. Let's see if we could get the volume to push this up. I'm just looking for a 1 to 2 right here, trying to make back my losses from these past couple of days. So see what happens, but hopefully we could get a nice push from right here. That's all I'm looking for. Give me a nice 1 to 2. Make them losses back, will be all good. I'm not loving these wicks on a lower time frame, but we do have news at 10 o'clock, I believe. So hopefully we get some volume around then to give us that push that we need. Get to TP. Hopefully it'll be a nice smooth day. Once we hit TP1, we're gonna move to break even anyway. So as long as we can get there, that'll be smooth. See what happens. We're starting to get a little volume now, so hopefully we at least get TP1 before the news drop. That's what I would prefer. So see what happens. Looking like we might get TP1 soon. We're almost there. A few points away. Come on, 30. Don't let me down today. Already 2 L's on this account, so not really trying to take another L. We're way too close to breaching for my comfort. I would like to get a payout this time. Like, come on, 30. Come on. A few more points, baby. Let's go. Come on. There we go. That's TP1. We're about to move stops to break even. Alright, let's see this run the rest of the way. Come on, 30. Let's go. Trading is literally like watching paint dry. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, but there go that volume we was looking for. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go hit TP. All I need is a nice little 1 or 200 points. I'm good for the day. We're not gonna be greedy. This is a funded account. I'm really just trying to make my losses back from the past couple of days, and then we can start working towards getting a payout. Hopefully this goes and hits TP. See what happens though. Sitting on our hands, just waiting. Let the trade play out. This price action is so ugly. I'm not loving this candle. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, especially because we had this huge bearish candle right here. So I'm not really feeling the price action right now, but let me see what the lower time frames is looking like. I mean, it is kind of rejecting. This looks like it's a supply zone up here. But hopefully, if anything, we'll just get like a little pullback to here, retest the entry, but don't stop me out. I'd really like it not to stop me out. So hopefully it doesn't pull back too much. If it does, and then going into 10 o'clock, we could get that volume to keep going. But right now, this candle looks great. I love the 15-minute candle. This is closing in a minute and a half, so that looks really good. I do like to check the 1 minute sometimes. I don't love that candle, but we do have the moving averages underneath price. So if anything, we could just come down, touch those moving averages, and then bounce off of that. So I'm hoping that that is what we're looking at, because we did just break the moving averages on the 5 minute. So I like that. That means that the buyers are in. We're using the EMAs as support on the 15-minute. I really like that. So yeah, I mean, everything says that we're looking good. Also, on the 30-minute, EMAs are acting as support. We have this huge 30-minute candle. I mean, we still have 15 minutes left in this candle, but it looks good so far. I'm not loving these wicks. There's a lot of exhaustion up here, so we do need the buyers to really come in to get the volume that we need to push this up. But so far, so good. Like I said, we at break even, so no money at risk right now. Hopefully we could just get that volume at 10 o'clock or even before 10 o'clock. Honestly, I'd like to get the volume before 10, hit TP, and be out of the trade by the time that news comes in. But if we got to wait till 10 o'clock for the volume, I'll take that as long as it just keeps pushing up. I would not like to see this hit break even. Be nice to get a win this week. So we'll see what happens. We just had a 15-minute candle close. So like I said, I do like the size of this 15-minute candle. I love that it's using the EMAs as support, and they closed above it. So I mean, I don't really love this wick, but I do love that this candle is so massive. So hopefully we keep this bullish momentum going and just go hit TP. Like, this doji is ugly, but we're still above the EMA, so I'm glad for that. Still looks good. See what happens. Come on, 30. Don't let me down today. Oh, wow. Wow, that was crazy. That's crazy. It literally just shot up and hit TP and closed me out. And like, it happened so fast that you didn't even see it on the chart. Like, it closed the trade out before you even saw the TP get smashed. That's crazy. Wow. Good win, gang. All right, we caught a nice little 1 or 2 today. That was crazy. Like, price literally shot up, hit my TP, and it closed the trade. And price didn't even, like, the chart was actually behind. Like, it hadn't even hit yet, like, that I could see. So that was a good trade. Nice little 1 or 2. We still in a little bit of drawdown on the funded account, but we did make back majority of that loss. Let me see exactly how much we actually made on that. Okay, nice. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we made $1,000 on that trade. So that's good stuff. 1,020 we closed out with. So we still a little, just over $200 in drawdown still on the funded account. But that's all good because now, like, we're way closer to being back in the green and working towards getting a payout than we were breaching. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you, I was super nervous because going into this morning, I wasn't even sure if I was gonna trade this account today because I literally was $700 away from breaching the account. So I was kind of nervous, but the setup did look pretty good. I knew that price was pretty bullish. It did look kind of bearish, but what it was just giving us that pullback going into market open for us to catapult and get that volume to catch that bullish move. So we caught a nice little 1 to 2 today. We recovered majority of our losses from this week. So, and it's only Tuesday, so we've still got 3 trading days left in the week. So we'll see what we could catch. But in the meantime, I do got some errands and stuff that I need to run today. So I'm gonna take y'all to the store with me, and we'll go do that. It is so beautiful outside today, y'all. I'm so glad that my trading day ended early, and I'm working from home today, so I'm able to get outside and enjoy the weather. I'm actually headed to Target right now. Where I live at, I can actually walk to Target. It's literally like less than 5 minutes. So I got a car with me. Just go grab a few things. Yeah, I want a pair of these so bad. Like, I'm definitely just now getting used to vlogging, but I know that these will be like super, super helpful. Like, just to be able to have the glasses on your head and not have to worry about like holding the camera, getting the right angles. Like, I want to get one of these so bad. So definitely on my wish list. I got to get me a pair of these. Yeah, let me know down in the comments if y'all got some and if y'all actually like them. Like, I definitely want to get a pair of the transitionals because that way, like, don't have to worry about wearing them indoors and outdoors. But I want to get a pair of these so bad. Yeah, I am so obsessed with these Febreze plugins. Like, I have these all over my house. I love them. Every time I come to Target, I have to get a bunch of them. But I just saw this thing for the first time, like whatever this plug scent booster is. Like, I have never seen that before. I gotta check this out. Maybe I'll get me one of these instead this time. Gosh, every time I come to Target, I have to check out this section because, like, the stuff that they have for the home decor is so beautiful. Like, I want to get like a plant like this to put like in the back behind my desk, or and maybe like some of these or something like that. Like, I just really want to spruce up the area. I actually got some lights and stuff that I put there, and I got a new desk. I'm working on building up my setup, but I definitely want to like get some more stuff, some more home decor, some plants and stuff, like some stuff like this, put on the desk, or like, some cute little furniture and stuff that I could put in my little desk area, just to sprucing it up, make it look nice, throw some greenery and stuff in there. So I always love to come to this section in Target just to see what they have, because they always have some cool stuff, and sometimes they have some really good prices, like stuff on sale. So I'm gonna check it out and see if I might get anything cool today. Okay, gang. So I just got back from Target. I grabbed up a few things, a couple essentials that we needed for the house. But right now, I'm about to cut up this pineapple. My girl actually asked me to cut this up. We got this pineapple a couple of days ago, but it's looking pretty ripe right now. So I don't want it to go to waste. So I'm gonna cut this up, but I'm also gonna make us some juice. I had this recipe that I make with cucumber, lemon, and coconut water. And me and my girl love it. It's our favorite. So I'm gonna chop up this pineapple, and then I'm gonna make some juice. So I already got my fruits and stuff already washed off. I washed my hands, so I'm about to get busy with this pineapple. We usually like to buy the pineapples fresh because, like, when you get it already cut up, you don't really know like how long it's been sitting there, and it usually goes bad faster. So we like to get the fresh one, and then I just cut it up first. But I had some extra time today in my day. Today was a slower day at work. I actually love days like this because after my meeting this morning, it was pretty quiet. And I worked from home today, so I was able to actually vlog and get some more stuff done. This morning was a pretty good day. Like, that trade was pretty quick. I was actually really nervous going into trading this morning because of the fact that I just passed the MFF challenge, the 50K challenge. And so far, the only 2 trades that I took on the account have been L. So I was already $1,200 in drawdown. And you only have $2,000 worth of drawdown before you breach the account. So, like, literally, I just got funded, and I had not even one single trade on the account, and I was like pretty close to breaching. So I was a little bit skeptical going into this morning if I was going to trade that account today. But the price action did look pretty good. I was kind of bullish on US30, and it gave us a really nice pullback just before the open. So we was able to take advantage, and I actually made back $1,000 of that $1,200 drawdown that I've been in. So that was really good. I'm like $300 away from break even. So hopefully we could catch some wins for the rest of the week. There's still 3 trading days left in the week, so I'm hoping that I could catch some good moves for the rest of the week and end up starting off next week at least much closer to getting a payout, because for that account you have to get the 5 trading days of at least $100 profit or more. Today was a pretty good day. Trade was pretty fast. Every day is not like today, so that's why like I don't really vlog as much, because of the fact that I'm usually working or like I'm just in the house. Like a trader's life is super boring, but for me, like I'm usually just working all the time, so there's not much to vlog. But today was a pretty good day, and we got a good win. So I took my braids out also, y'all. I don't usually like wear my hair out. Like I love to wear my hair out. I love my hair, but you know, my fellow curly heads, y'all know, like after a day or two of this, like it gets really crazy and like unmanageable. So I don't really like wear my hair out curly a lot. My hair actually is pretty long right now. Like it's the longest that it's ever been. My girl really wants me to straighten it, and so she can see how long it is. She loves when I straighten my hair, but I don't love it. I don't really love to wear my hair out too much because it's always like in my face, and it's just a little bit more unmanageable, I would say, when it's out, and I don't really love that. So I'll be trying not to wear my hair out often, but just cutting up this pineapple right now before I make the juice. But yeah, so this morning's trade, right? So I was super skeptical going into this morning because I know that like I was already in drawdown on the funded account, and then like with these markets, I don't know, man. Every time Trump like says something, it like the market just completely shakes up. You have like you cannot hold moves in this market right now because of the fact that every time he says something, like things just like it just goes crazy. The market goes crazy. You have no idea what's gonna happen. Like price action will say one thing and it could be pumping, and then within a moment's notice, it'll just like reverse on you, and then like it's like I feel like this first 100 days has gone down in history because it's like we had some of the worst days in the stock market in history, in like 180 years. I think they said like the worst days in the stock market. But then also we had some of the best days, like last week when he decided that he was going to pause the tariffs for 90 days. We saw 2 of the best days in the stock market in history. Like so many of the instruments, like the indices, have hit all-time highs within the past 3 months. 3-4 months, just because of the fact of everything, like the market volatility, the tariffs, and the pause on the tariffs. Like it has just been going crazy. So it's like I was super skeptical. I have not really been trying to hold no moves. I'm trying to just build my account, like just build everything up, get myself used to some wins. Like that's why I always go for like a 1 to 2 minimum. 1 to 1, move my stops to break even. 1 to 2, I'm really looking to close out my trade at that point. Too many times I've been holding trades and then I'm up already a 1 to 2, 1 to 3, and I'm trying to catch like a 1 to 5. And because of that, trade reverses on me. I either get stopped out at break even or I'm stopped out of the trade altogether. And it's just like, it's super nerve wracking. And then especially now being on these funded accounts, like I want to get a payout. So I've been funded now 4 times. I've already blown 2 accounts. So now I have 2 funded accounts right now, and I still have yet to get a payout. So my goal right now is just to stay consistent, close out my 1 to 2s, build up my consistent days of the $100 or more on the MFF, and get my Clarity account back at least to break even in profit territory so that I can request a payout. So just finish up cutting up the pineapple and put this in the fridge, and then I'm going to start making some juice. I always take the skin off of like my fruits and stuff, even though I'm going to put it in the juicer. I don't know about y'all, but like I feel like you should take the skin off of it before you juice it, even though it's going to get juiced. It just, like the juice is just going to taste better to me, in my opinion. I do the same thing with my lemons. Like I take the outer skin off. I just feel like it's better for the juice. It's just going to taste better if I take off the skin. So I just usually cut it off. I don't know about y'all, but I like to use the like the plastic bags, the vegetable bags from the supermarket. and I put it inside of the like the tank that catches all the pulp and the skin, the stuff that's like that you throw away from the juicer. This just makes it easier to clean afterwards. Cause like I don't know if y'all got juicers at home, but these things are a pain in the ass to clean. I'm not even gonna lie to you. They're pretty annoying to clean. It's like it's not difficult, but it is like it's a lot of work. So you can make it easier. Thank me later. Put the vegetable bag from the supermarket inside of the catcher for the juicer because it will save you some time cleaning it. Alright, I'm going to catch my juice in a measuring cup because I also like to strain my juices like at least one time after I juice it just to make sure like some of the pulp is out. Like I don't really like the texture when there's like too much pulp in my juice, so I always strain it afterwards at least one time before I drink it. So I'm gonna catch it in this measuring cup so that I can do that. See, like I hate that like the juice kind of gets like that foam on top like after you first juice it. I hate that. I really do not like that. So I'm gonna strain it out and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like for the finished product. So now it's just to add the coconut water to this now, and then it's gonna loosen it up a little bit more. So I'm gonna do that right now. This coconut water has pulp, so I'm gonna like pour it over the strainer so that I strain that out too because I do not like the pulp. Again, I'm putting the finished product in a pitcher so that I can put it in the fridge so that we can drink it. You can see like the texture of it, all that cloudy, the foam, all that stuff is gone. The juice is much more blended. It's a little bit of a lighter color now that like I strained it and I added the coconut water. So I'm gonna try some. That's good stuff. Y'all definitely let me know down in the comments if y'all try this. If y'all juicers, try this recipe. Tell me what y'all think. Let me know down in the comments. This is my favorite. Like I literally would drink this every single day. Alright, gang, I'm probably gonna end the vlog out here. I just finished cleaning the kitchen. My girl's gonna get home from work in a couple hours, so I'm probably just gonna chill out here. Probably edit this vlog, maybe just watch some YouTube, and just chill till she gets home, and we just hang out together. But I really hope y'all enjoyed the vlog today. Let me know down in the comments if y'all enjoyed the vlog style type video. Just don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you guys for watching, and I will catch y'all in the next one.